So here's, apparently you can get it to the clubhouse from here somehow, but on deck 11, midship, here's Camp Ocean. So let's go check it out. And this is the first day registration information. So here is Camp Ocean, and Dr. Seuss's Bookville, which is nice. Yeah, if you come here, you don't have to sign up. You could just come here with your children, borrow a book and read, or play with the little ones. Yeah. Lovely. And here is for penguins ages 2 to 5. We got the Creative Co. Look at the stuff there. Hi. Yeah, you got the little area for penguins.
They're such nice toys.
They do. Look at that beautiful pirate ship. That's nice. And they have the playground outside, right? But you could only access it from the outside, I bet. Oh no, you could come in through here. Look. It opens from here. Open the door. Adam.
Nah, that's not camper.
Oh, okay. We'll come in from the other side. We'll come in from the outside and look. Yeah. And here you have the little bathrooms. Look at little tiny sinks. Stand there for scale, baby. Tiny little sinks. And here's the little bathrooms with the tiny little sinks and tiny toilets. It's so cute. It smells nice in here. It smells like crayons. Right? Mm-hmm. And here they got TVs. And this is, looks like for a little bit older kids. Got all these game systems, coloring, all the markers and pencils and coloring books. Lovely. This is nice. Looks like this is for sharks. That's for the older ones. And here, got another little area. No more TV screens, game consoles. Bigger TV, I guess, for movies. How fun. There's more restrooms. Oh, maybe. Okay, this is the game list. On a starboard side of the ship is a random shower on deck 11, and next to it is going to be the entrance to the playground that we saw from the inside of the Camp Ocean, and this is how you get into it from the outside. And here's the playground, and you can come here and play with your babies.
Oh, a giant net pool.
Yeah, all the ships that were the recent ones. There were Liberty has this. Venezia had one like this. The Dream, I think, had one. Yeah. So this is the playground outside. And you could theoretically access Camp Ocean from here, but they keep that other door locked, so you cannot.
So the kids don't escape.
Yeah, so the kids don't escape. Because they will. Especially ours. Like, our little one should be the one plotting a mass exodus. All right.